called for exploiting. During the dialogue, the head of an Egyptian meetings, 5 military.
Welcome back. President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi received visiting Iraqi Foreign Minister Fouad Hussein, during which they probed bilateral ties and a number of regional issues of mutual concern. The president praised the deep-rooted historic ties and expressed Egypt's keenness to enhance Iraq's Arab role.
President Abdel Fattah al-Sisi hailed on Wednesday deep historic ties that bind Egypt and Iraq, expressing Egypt's keenness to enhance Iraq's national Arab role. During his meeting with visiting Iraqi Foreign Minister Fouad Hussein, the president also affirmed that Cairo would continue supporting Iraqi people in all fields of bilateral levels or within the framework of trilateral cooperation mechanism with Jordan. Presidential spokesman Bassem Radi said the Iraqi top diplomat convoyed a message from Iraqi President Barham Saleh to President al-Sisi, which centered on a number of bilateral issues. He said the Iraqi minister expressed Iraq's keenness to continue consultations and coordination with Egypt at all levels in light of strong links that bind the two nations, as well as Egypt's pivotal role and supportive role in the region, which contributes in confronting joint challenges currently facing the Arab nation. According to the spokesman, the meeting tackled the political and security situation in the Middle East region, in addition to current challenges, with the two sides agreeing to continue bilateral consultations with the aim of achieving security and stability. They also probed means to enhance bilateral relations at the economic, trade and investment levels.
The president congratulated the new head of the Libyan Presidential Council, Mohammed al-Manfi, after being elected by members of the Libyan Constitutional Path Dialogue. During a phone call, President al-Sisi wished al-Manfi success during his mission and expressed hope that the new Libyan leadership would present a new era of integration among Libyan institutions to end division for the sake of the country. The president affirmed Egypt's constant support, especially on the economic, security and military levels. For his part, al-Manfi expressed appreciation and praised the strong Egyptian-Libyan ties, voicing his keenness to enhance joint cooperation in various domains and exchanging views on regional issues. During the talks, the two sides agreed to continue consultations and coordination to boost Libya's efforts during its transitional period. President al-Sisi also held another phone call with the new Libyan Prime Minister Abdelhamid Dbeibeh to congratulate him for the new post during this transitional period.